If any of you guys watched my very first video, you've probably seen this. For this example, we will be using this lovely lady. Now you might ask yourself, dude, why do you have this? Trust me guys, I will explain it in a later video, but for now, just bear with me, okay? Since I am a man of my word, in today's video I will explain why I own two mannequin heads and how they can help you learn about lighting in the easiest way possible. Well, first of all, what are these things for exactly? A lot of the time they're used by hairdressers to learn how to create different hairstyles. As a filmmaker, I don't care much about that. What I do care about is how can they help me to learn about lighting. I want to clarify, this is not my original idea. It has been done before. I got my inspiration from Philip Bloom. He also did a video about this. You can check it out in the description. We as filmmakers will often be lighting faces. Most shots used in movies are often mediums and medium close-ups, so the face is a very important part of the image, if not the most important. Knowing how to light faces is crucial. So how can we use a mannequin head for that? Well, there are two ways. Way one is to bring the mannequin head to the light source, and the second way is to bring the light source to the mannequin head. Let's say you're looking for a location to film in. You can bring a mannequin head with you to see how the natural light in that location will fall on a face. You can put the mannequin head on a light stand, adjust the height to the position that you want, and take some shots or photos. Another and a more common way to use a mannequin's head is in a studio. Just put it on a lighting stand and light it from any angle you want. Just work in a system, just like this. First, take a light source and shine it from the front. Take a shot and move the light a little higher. Take another shot and move the light a little higher again. Then go as high as your light stand or the ceiling allows. Then go in the opposite direction. From the starting point, go a little lower and take a shot. Then go lower again and take another shot. And then go as low as you can and take another shot. Now repeat this process by moving the light to the side, to the back, to the top, and to the 45-degree angle. If you want to be really thorough, you can also do another step, like 22.5-degree angle. So you have taken all the shots and know what a certain light source does to a face from all the different angles. Now you can take a bigger, harder or a softer light source and do the same thing to see the difference. So now you've done this with different light sources, you will start to understand that the size of the light impacts the softness of the light, and the angle of the light impacts the shape of the shadow. So next time, if you need to light a scene, for example, you will know exactly what to do to get the desired effect. What I also like to do is to recreate lighting from movies using the mannequin's head. Let's take this shot for example. First, we analyze the lighting. I can see that the color of the main light is teal. I can also see that there is a lot of detail in the skin, and there are harsh shadows. This tells me that the light source is not very soft. I can also see an orange practical light in the background, as well as an orange light on the edge of our subject's face and hair. Now this shot is not ideal to recreate on this mannequin. As you can see, the mannequin is made from a soft and smooth material. There is no detail in the face, unlike in our example. So we can only judge the softness of the light based on how sharp the shadows are. Marcus Pix made a video about solving this problem by using plasticine to make a more realistic skin. So let's move on with recreating our shot. Basically, after you got your framing right, you want to start with the most prominent light in the shot. In our case, that is the teal colored light. So we need to judge the angle of the light. We do that by looking at the shadow. So we take our light and set it up where we think that the light is coming from. Then we start moving the light until we have a similarly shaped shadow. So when we get the first light to the right spot, we move on to the second light. Once we done all that, the only thing left to do is to dial the color of the lights. As you can see, mannequin's head is a good tool to learn how to light faces. Knowing where to place a light to achieve a certain effect can save you a lot of time on the set. I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Till next time.